Hey there, I'm Archie from Nightstalker and you're watching MM Storytime.
Thank you. Well, as you heard, I'm here with a Nightstalker lead singer, and right now we're actually in Athens, Greece. So tell me, please, how are you surviving this melting heat in Athens?
I wasn't there.
You weren't there.
No, I was. We had some gigs around Greece, and we had some vacation, 15 days. So we missed that
Where?
part. In Kayaf, in a place in Peloponnese. It's a big sandy beach, 20 kilometers, and you don't see nobody. So it was quiet.
So that's how you survived. Okay. So, can you tell us more about these very, very early days of the band? How
Okay.
was it back then? And what are the most memorable moments for you from that period?
It was, we were 30 years younger then. And all we wanted was to play some music. That's the whole point, to play some music, find some friends, play some music, jam, That's what we're doing now. So I can see it as a job or something like that, but the years pass by, so you have to see it a little bit more seriously now, let's say. Yeah, you're more committed to that.
Well, yes, of course. Yes. And have you ever thought about if you didn't become a musician, what you would be doing right now?
Nah, probably I would be dead.
Why that?
Because, music is a motive, It's a big motive. But there are other motives, drugs. I would be dead, or crazy, because music, it's I don't know, it's a kind of shield for me, keep me from all this bullshit.
That's happening these days.
Not all these days. I started playing music from 6 years old.
6 years?
Yeah.
And what drew you to that, to start playing?
My grandfather was a drummer. My uncle was playing the trumpet. My other uncle was director of orchestra. We had some connection with music, So I learned. Well, I love music. I was born in that.
Nice, nice. So, what can you say about the music scene in Greece in general? Like, how was it back then when you were starting the band comparing to nowadays?
Yeah. We did, back then it was heavy metal in fashion. Classic, thrash metal, heavy metal. And we started playing, in the beginning we were playing like classic heavy metal instrumental songs without singing. But when we changed one guitar player, then we changed our bass player, and we had to find a singer. And I started to play drums and sing. But the difference was we didn't want to play something specific, We didn't want to play heavy metal, we didn't want to play rock and roll or whatever. We wanted to play, we wanted to jam. We didn't know what kind of music was that. It was heavy, but
It was something.
Yeah. Today, the scene is big, I think, the last 10 years.
Yeah.
From what I see, the bands are getting bigger, and the people are more into it, they are more professionals, let's say. Because back then we couldn't even buy guitar strings, it was harder. All this now technical shit is more easier. It's more easier now to send your music out to the people, because of the internet and all that. But I think it's a kind of fashion, now, the last 5 years at least, I think. So it's gonna blow away someday. It's gonna go away. Some bands are gonna stay, some bands are gonna go, It always happens like that.
And what is your opinion about this huge success of Greek rock stoner scene, but worldwide?
When you're hungry, you're singing the blues, Here in Greece, especially the last 4 or 5 years, there are a lot of people that don't have nothing to do. So it's not hard to play some music and try to make some money out of it, but the point is not the money, the point is the music. That's the whole idea.
Yeah, behind it.
Because it's not easy, to live like that. Because you're living in a way that there's no 9 to 5 job.
Yeah, of course. And do you still go on gigs or concerts while you're not touring?
Sometimes.
And what was the best one that you visited recently?
Recently, watched James Legg. It's a guy from Texas that plays keyboards, and he has another drummer. And he's pure rock and roll guy. I like that guy.
Nice. So, several years ago, you played 2 shows in Serbia during your European tour.
Yeah.
Any nice memories from that period?
Both of the gigs we had so much fun in Serbia. Thanks for Milan. I think, the people there are like us here. We have similar culture,
Yeah, very similar.
Yeah. So I felt like home.
Let's hope you will next time too. So, the new album will be out under the name Great Hallucinations on 5th of October, right?
Yeah.
So, how would you describe this new recording?
It's more psychedelic. It's more psychedelic, and it's more. It's deeper than the other albums, I think.
So that's how you would probably compare it to the previous album.
Yeah.
And what do you personally enjoy the most of being a musician, and what do you hate the most?
I love touring. I love having a gig. I hate you have to be on time always. You have to wake up early. You have to sleep late. That. But it's a part of the job. So I like all the package.
All the package that goes with it.
Because if I didn't like it, something of it, I wouldn't do it, I think.
So there is anything like you don't like, it doesn't exist?
I don't like throwing at me full cans of beer.
Yeah, we hate it.
I don't like that.
Also photographers don't like that, trust me. I totally know. People don't do that. And what would you say to all young bands that are starting their career now? Do you have any advice for them?
To believe in themselves and not to listen to anybody and do what they think it's right for them. Because I told you, it's not easy, it's hard. If you want to stay, if you want to do something, if you want to play for 1 year music and then you do something else, okay. But if you want to keep that path, it's hard.
And was there any really big problem that you had to overcome during your musical period as a band? That you remember it was really...
Except my 2 heart attacks. Many things, yeah. Drugs, women, many things.
But you
30 years old band,
Well, yes, that's
everything happened.
I believe so. Well, I believe so.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. That was all. I won't bother you anymore.
No, thank you.
And I'll have to remind again that Nightstalker will be back in Serbia on 8th of October, right?
I think so.
Yeah, I think it's 8th of October. So buy your tickets on time and see you there. And see you
Buy
in
the
Serbia.
ticket.
Yeah, buy the ticket.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, as you heard, I'm here with Nightstalker and we're in Athens this time. So, I have the first question for you, and that's how are you surviving this heat in Athens?
Not dying.
Well,